Hi, I hope you all are okay. In today's video, I'm going to prepare an easy, fast recipe with few ingredients. The recipe we're going to prepare today is the dough for empanadas. In some countries, they call it empanadilla. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link on the information box. La receta que le estaré enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Le dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. The ingredients you need are 2 cups of all-purpose flour that is equal to 280 grams, 1 tablespoon of sugar which is equal to 15 grams, 1.5 teaspoon of salt which is equal to 5 grams, 4 ounces of water which is equal to 125 milliliters, and 1.5 ounces of oil which is equal to 47 milliliters. It can be vegetable oil or corn oil. You see, it's only 5 ingredients. Now we go to the procedure. The first thing we are going to do is add the flour, the sugar, and the salt. And we're going to mix the ingredients until they are well integrated. Now what we're going to do is add the water, the oil, and again we are going to mix. We start with the spoon and then continue mixing and kneading with our hands. We take out what is left in the spoon. And now we will knead with clean hands until the ingredients are well integrated. Now we're going to start with both hands. You will continue to work the dough until you see the dough peel off of the container. See, it no longer sticks to my hand and it doesn't stick to the wall of the container. Now what we're going to do is that we will continue working it on the table for about 1 additional minute. We already knead the dough for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. We will then place it in the container and we will let it rest for about 5 minutes. And then make the empanadas. We already let the dough rest for 5 minutes. The dough is soft, as you can see, and it does not stick from the hand and neither from the table. See, you don't have to add flour to the table to work it. This is how they do it commercially. This is the advantage of this recipe. We will flatten it first with our hands and then with the roller, as stretched as possible to make the empanadas. I already flattened the dough. Now what we will do is that we are going with a cookie cutter to make the circular dough for empanadas. What we're going to do? Well, we will place our cutter to cut the dough. We do this way. We give it a spin. The first cycle, see? This is the first cut dough. And we will continue to complete the dough. We got 4 cut dough in the shape of a circular. Now what we're going to do is that we will remove the excess of the dough. And this excess of this dough is reused. What we are going to do is knead it again and use it to make more empanadas. We are going to work this dough again. And here is the cut dough for the empanadas. Look how beautiful the cut dough. It is so soft. It do not stick from the hands and do not stick from the table. See? Now we are going to make our empanadas. As you can see, we already flattened the remaining dough. And now what we're going to do is that with this smaller cutter, we will make 6 mini empanadas. So again, we are going to make the circular shape for the empanadas. The cutter I'm using is 7-inch, or you can use the one of your choice. As you can see, here in the dough, we added grated cheese. Here are 3 kinds of cheese, 2 striped cheese and the sandwich cheese, just like this one. The striped cheese are mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. The cut dough that we have here has the ground beef that I already have prepared with the striped cheese that are mozzarella and cheddar. Here I have 2 empanadas formed. The cheese one and the other is the meat and cheese. As you can see, I already prepared them in advance. Look how beautiful our empanadas have been with the dough that we just prepared. Looks so pretty. What we will do with these that are here, we will close it and form our empanadas. We take this part of the cut dough and we are going to close it here. See? We are forming the empanadas. And then we go with a fork to close our empanadas here. And now on the other side, we are going to do the same for the other cut dough, which is the meat and cheese. As you can see, we already made the empanadas. 4 large empanadas and 7 mini empanadas came out. Now what we're going to do is that we will place them in the pan with oil over moderate high heat, with the oil quite hot until the empanadas turn golden brown. The empanadas are ready. Look how beautiful they are. They smell delicious, and I already ate one. I recommend them. You can do these empanadas to share with the family. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, activate the bell, and share this video through your social media. See you in the next video.